Ready to meet the superhero inside you? Spoiler, it's your stomach. Your stomach is basically a self-repairing superhero. Every day, it faces an acid bath so intense it could melt metal. But don't worry, your stomach has a secret weapon, its lining. The lining is super special because it replaces itself every 2 to 3 days. Imagine having a tiny remodeling crew inside you. They rip out the old wallpaper and slap on a fresh coat before anything gets digested that shouldn't. This constant renovation keeps your stomach safe from its own powerful juice. So next time you think about your tummy, give a little cheer for its hard-working lining. It's like having an internal superhero keeping you safe. Now who's hungry?